Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I do fashion subscription unboxings and fashion hauls and try-ons on this channel. So if this is something that you like, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And today I am going to be doing a daily look unboxing for you and try on. And actually this is kind of a accidental box. I had one coming to me and I reached out to the stylist as well as their customer service and said, look, I think this one is too early. I don't really need anything. Can we skip this box? And I set my next one to be in June. So I heard back from customer service saying no problem. I heard back from my stylist, no problem. And the next thing you know, I had a preview. And so with Daily Look, they do give you the opportunity to take a preview of the items they've selected for you, and you can turn down 3 of the items, and then they'll replace those 3 with 3 new items. And so I got a preview, and I hadn't even requested anything. But when I looked at the preview, I thought, there were a couple cute items, and so I just figured, what the heck, let's go ahead and do this. However, I never really got the opportunity to describe in detail any of the items I need. If you're interested in doing Daily Look, I'm going to include a link below that'll give you $50 off your first box, and they will curate a box specific to your needs. There is a $40 styling fee, however, that's deducted from anything that you decide to keep. If you keep 3 items, you get 50% off of 1. And if you keep 5 items, you get 50% off of 2. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and try everything on, and then I will show them to you and give you all the pricing and the details of each item. And so I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing. I thought that this was a really cute sweater. It kind of gives the sweatshirt vibe, but it is a sweater. It's a tie-dye with this really pretty kind of salmon color. I love the neckline here, and it's got some ribbing as well as on the sleeve, and it's kind of it's not really a raw edge, but you can see it's kind of curling. I think it's supposed to do that. And then I have it front tucked into these pants, which are super stretchy and super comfortable as a result to the stretch factor. But what I like about these jeans is you've got the side little zipper pockets, which I think is really cute, but they are a cargo style skinny jean, and I really like that. Just because I don't have any cargo, and it's different than something that I already own. I have to say it is warm and comfy. So if that's something that you're interested in, I will outline everything that I'm trying on in the description box below in case you're interested in anything. Let me turn around. So I'm liking this top. However, I don't really need another sweater, and I have 50 million sweaters, but I do love this pattern. I love the color, and I definitely love the pants, the jeans, and I think they're really cute. Let me give you some details on what I'm wearing. Level 99 cargo pant in black, and they are $165. Of course, they're on the pricier side. Bear in mind too, if you do decide to do Daily Look, they do have price ranges all over the board, and you need to be specific in requesting your price range. I thought I had done that, but apparently not. So I need to go back in and double check. Okay, then we have the Democracy split neck tie-dye long sleeve shirt in the color peach for $88. I do like these colors, and I do think this is actually kind of a year-round type of sweater because it is lightweight, and the colors could take you year-round, and I do like the versatility of that. I really think this is an adorable top. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I'm not a fan of the small floral print, but I do like this because it's got so much different, details to it. So you've got kind of the smock. This is all smocked, And I love the different color sleeves. And it is a button down. And what makes this feel so good is that it is 100% cotton. And I love that because on a hot summer day, cotton is just so nice and cool and refreshing. It's kind of a cute shirt. I don't know why I like it, but I do. I love the flutter sleeves in this. This top is by Democracy. It's called the Flutter Sleeve Floral Print Button-Down Top in Ivory Multi. And this is $68. How cute is this sweatshirt? I love the colors. I'm a big blue fan, but I love the little stars on this. It's a sweatshirt. It is fleece. No, it's not fleece. I thought maybe it was a fleece lining, but it's not. It's kind of a medium weight sweatshirt. I do love these stars. It is kind of cuffed at the sleeves, and I got it front tucked into these blue joggers, which is also part of my package. And these joggers are fleece lined, but they are a lightweight fleece, and they are like butter. They are so soft and so comfortable. I really feel like they're so comfortable. Let me back up for you. I just have them on with my white sneakers. Okay, this top is Billy T. Star's sweatshirt in the color Indigo, and it is $98. The pants, super soft fleece jogger in the color navy for $78. They are super, super comfortable. I've left the sweatshirt on and just put on these leggings, and I don't really know what top was intended for these, because usually in a legging I want to cover my bum, and nothing is at that length. So I just left the sweatshirt on, and these are really comfortable. I love the color, and they're that waffle knit material, and so they are a jogger. They're really cute, but I definitely don't need any of the jogger style pant. And as you can see, the sweatshirt doesn't even cover the bum. So, I mean, I'm sure I have stuff in my closet, but I'm just not in the need for pants like this, but they're adorable. These are by Thread and Supply. They're called the Waffle Knit Leggings in gray for $108. They are very cute, but $108, I just don't see anything special about these. But anyway, I tried them on. Let's go on to the next item. I've got the next outfit on, the top and some white jeans. This is a really pretty navy top. I love how it gathers right around the neck, all the way around. Such a pretty detail, and it is fully lined. I love that too. This is front tucked into these white jeans. The white jeans obviously are distressed at both knees. There's a little distressing on the pockets, and it is a raw hem. And I just have it with my slides. Cute, cute. All right, so this is called the Kaitlyn ruched neck top in navy. It is $70. I think the top is really cute. I have a very similar navy top with this type of neckline, but it's a knit material. And so this may be just too close to what I already own. Pants are the mid-rise skinny ankle in white for $98. And what I have realized is I'm giving you the descriptions, but like this doesn't tell you who the brand is, but I'll put everything in the description box below. and look at the tags, because the invoice does not include, in some of them anyway, does not include the actual name brand. Some of them do, some of them don't. So I'll just be sure to include that in the description box. So I decided to keep the white jeans on and try this t-shirt on. This is a kind of a really nice fabric. It's kind of it doesn't feel like cotton. I'm gonna have to look at the fabric content for you, but it's really comfortable. It says Good Vibes. I think it's really cute. I love the colors. It looks really cute with the jeans. It's just a basic graphic tee. Okay, this t-shirt is called Good Vibes short sleeve t-shirt in charcoal multi for $68. Cute. So I've got this adorable cami on. It is very springy and summery. It would look really cute with a denim jacket or a cardigan. It has this really pretty lace that's in the same print, and the spaghetti straps are adjustable. And I think it's a really cute top. So these jeans are a button down. There's distressing and whiskering, distressing, and then the hemline is kind of interesting because it's a raw hem, plus it's got distressing. These are stretchy, so there's definitely an added bonus to that. These jeans are by Liverpool. They're the high-rise exposed button fly in the vintage black for $118. In summary, so again, it says if you get 3 things, you get to 50% off of 1 item, and if you keep 5 things, you get 50% off of 2 items. But honestly, this box I totally take full blame for it because I gave them nothing to go on. I didn't say anything. Like I mentioned, it was a surprise box. I had canceled this quarter and was just going to wait till June. So it's my own fault. I should have spoken up and given them some specifics. I think that if you communicate, Daily Look is a really good box with quality clothes, but you have to communicate so that they have a direction in which to go in, and I gave her absolutely no direction at all. So honestly, I don't even think that there's anything in this box that I want to keep. There was nothing that I loved that much. And I have a trunk club coming that may be arriving today. So that one, I did communicate to them that I wanted items suitable for my Hawaii vacation. So we'll see what that one has, if it is more tailored to what I'm looking for. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and comment to your favorite pieces. I love to hear from you. So we'll see you soon with my trunk club.